Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two mini drones on the table, the ATTOP mini drone and the mini drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. First up, let's talk about the price. The ATTOP mini drone comes in at just $49, while the mini drone is priced slightly higher at $69. If you're on a budget, the ATTOP mini drone might be the way to go. Moving on to the camera capabilities. The ATTOP mini drone features HD pictures and live videos. You can connect your phone to the drone and enjoy a first-person view experience. It's perfect for capturing those exciting moments. On the other hand, the mini drone also offers a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take aerial photos and videos. Both drones provide great camera options, but the choice ultimately depends on your preferences. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The ATTOP mini drone has a safe design with a low battery warning. It also has emergency stops and can fly for about 5 to 6 minutes after a full charge. The mini drone, on the other hand, features propeller guards, a low power alarm, and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that support up to 18 to 21 minutes of flight time. Both drones have solid safety features, giving you peace of mind while flying. Now let's talk about ease of use. The ATTOP mini drone is designed for kids and beginners, featuring one key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. It also offers multiple control modes, including remote, app, and voice control. On the contrary, the mini drone is also suitable for kids and beginners. It has a one-key start landing button and 3 speed modes. Additionally, it offers control through a remote, app, and voice commands. Both drones are user-friendly, making them great options for beginners. Lastly, let's discuss the additional features. The ATTOP mini drone has multiple flight functions, including 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. It also has a foldable design, making it easy to carry around. On the other hand, the mini drone offers multiple fun flight modes, such as 3D flips and the ability to draw flight paths on your smartphone. It also supports voice gesture control. Both drones provide exciting features, so it comes down to personal preference. Based on online reviews, the ATTOP mini drone and the mini drone have received positive feedback from customers. And there you have it. We've compared the ATTOP mini drone and the mini drone in various categories. The ATTOP mini drone offers a lower price point, HD pictures and live videos, safe design, and easy control. On the other hand, the mini drone boasts a 1080p HD camera, long flying time, advanced flight functions, and voice gesture control. Ultimately, the choice between these two mini drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and don't forget to subscribe for more product comparisons.